Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a backup. This prevents data loss. Once done, inspect the MP4 with FFmpeg error I file. MP4 to see codec and timestamp issues. Make sure to note whether the move atom is missing or if packets show errors. Then run ffprobe or MP4 box info to gather exact stream ID and durations, because these details tell you whether to remux or re-encode. Acting now saves time later and determines the minimal fix required. You next attempt a fast remux to rebuild container structures. Remuxing often fixes index and move problems. If FFmpeg reports timestamp or DTS/PTS errors, make sure to add flags plus gemps and avoid negative TS1 to regenerate presentation timestamps. Once you know which stream is corrupted, re-encode only that track to save quality. Use libx 264 for video and awk for audio. This reconstructs frames and sync info. After re-encoding, compare durations and check a /v sync to confirm. You finish by validating the repaired file. Run ffprobe to confirm streams, duration, and bitrates match expectations. If the move atom remains misplaced, use MP4 box to rebuild container order or FFmpeg with mov flags fast start to move to the front. This fixes playback on streaming players. If problems persist, rerun targeted re-encode with different GOP/bitrate settings. And as a key troubleshooting tip, test small clips first. If a short segment repairs, apply the same parameters to the full file.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.